Hi everyone. Those of you that know me really well, and particularly those who work with me, will know that I am not exactly the most computer savvy person in the world. I've only recently weaned myself off a Nokia 3310 phone, but that aside, I have to say I'm very, very impressed by this little product that I'm going to show you. It's been set up by a friend of mine, and it's a thing called a car fax disc, and it looks like an old school tax disc, a couple of different versions. And the idea is you buy one of these, I think it's 17 quid for the basic version, download it online, put it in your windscreen of your car, and you set up an account and you load onto it all the details of your car, photographs, I think all sorts of things really, very, very cleverly. And it means that when somebody passes your car in a car park or a car show, scan the QR code that's on the disc with their phone, and then it will take them to the website and they can see all the details of the car. Very, very clever. Check it out. I think it's a brilliant idea. And yeah, I'm actually moving with the times. It means I won't have to put this in the window anymore. So there we go. Over and out.